Alright, on our way to Burgess Falls. Brandon, Skylar right there, Sergeant Serge, got Petro Head up there. Gonna take our time, make our way up to Burgess. Alright, so we're walking now. We got out of the kayaks. Sergeant Serge is down there. And I hear the waterfall up there. We have Brandon and Petra up there. We're making our way. And I'm super wet and cold. Nice journey. Super worth it though once we get up here to the falls. Huge. That's awesome. And it's super slick. But I'm gonna put in my pack into super cool. Sergeant Serge making his way up in the kayak. We started walking and it got too hard. I'm super wet and cold. I hear the falls, so I'm gonna walk up to the falls and then kayak back. Yes, sir. So we're right here at the creek, and here's the old hydro mill. There's Petra's, Skylar's down there. There's this big ass cliff right here, and it is actually huge. I'd like to rappel it one day, but I hear the waterfalls and stuff. Sounds pretty crazy. It's a pretty wicked little area. We made it. Oh dude, it's pushing a lot of wind off of it. Huh?
You gonna get in?
With the
sun's on it right now. It's beautiful, doesn't it?
It really is.
Especially with all those icicles over there.
Golly. The waterfall is really pushing some air off. But look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Everybody made it out here today. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. This is absolutely amazing. There's so much wind blowing on me off the waterfall. But this is absolutely beautiful. We got all of the ice over there, ice over there, ice over here. Hella wind blowing on me. This is gorgeous waterfall. Got Brandon and Petro down there. This is absolutely amazing. Completely worth it. This is amazing. Gosh. Wow. Walking this trail over here, I'm coming up close to the top of the waterfall. This is absolutely amazing. Up here by all the ice. Right there. Big waterfall. Brandon Tucker down there. This is awesome. This is absolutely fucking gorgeous. Everybody's down there. I'm up here on the top of the falls. Sunset's coming on it. It is amazing. I'm super cold. My hands are purple. But look at that ice and just the waterfall's going right there. Big old ice right there. All above me. But just look at that ice formations right there. Those are probably 15 to 20 to 30 feet tall. Then we have the huge waterfall right there. This is absolutely amazing. It's stunning. I have no other way to put it. This trip was completely worth it. That is a huge, probably 30-foot icicle right there. I don't even know how to put this into words. Alright, I'm making my way back down to the bottom of the waterfall. Brandon's down there, Petra's down there. This is absolutely just such a beautiful sight. 10 out of 10 recommend. Definitely would come here if I was you. Even if it's cold like we did, because you get to see such pretty ice. Like, look at all those. Just, they're awesome. And then the beautiful waterfall. This is stunning. Awesome wall that we could rappel down. Just awesome altogether. The wind coming off here is crazy, but this is an amazing waterfall. Top 10. Maybe #1 in my book. This is spectacular. We're gonna start heading back down. The wind is crazy up here. It's blowing me. Absolutely insane place to come. Alright, we made it back. Right up there, picture right here. We're gonna start kayaking back down to the truck before it gets dark. Hopefully we get there before it gets dark. We'll be all good. All right, we all made it back in the water in the kayaks. We're gonna start making our way down back to the truck. This is an amazing spot out here. Great looking cliffs. This is crazy. Alright, so we're almost back. That's where we stopped the first time. Around this turn, we'll be to the truck and home free. Alright, so Brandon's behind me, Petra's up there, Skylar's probably already back to the truck. But once we pass this turn, we should be coming up on the truck. I'll hit y'all up then. Once I get up out of the water, I'm cold. Okay. Making our way back. I think I'm finally up out of the cove. Coming up onto the truck. Should be around this turn, I believe. I really hope it's that way, not that way. But I believe it's that way. So, the truck should be right over there. I'm almost home free. Brandon's behind me. Petra's up there. Yeah, we're close. Alright, I can see Petra and Skylar up there. They're at the truck. We're on the final stretch, and then we're home free. Up out of this water. It's super cold, but it was awesome. It's an amazing spot. Definitely gonna have to come back during the summer though. Alright. Making my way across. It's almost dark. We made it back pretty much just in time. Super cool spot. Definitely gonna have to come back. Just paddling my way back. Making my way to freedom. Yeah. Heck yeah. Made it back. That was an awesome trip. Alright, so we've made it all back to the land. Now we're all gonna get warm and dry. And that's the end of this video, but that was an amazing adventure out here in the cold on the water. But that was an awesome waterfall. I'll see y'all next time.